Hi everyone. In previous class, okay. So previous class we discussed about SDLC life cycle. Okay, SDLC life cycle, SDLC phases are discussed in previous class. Now we will go for the new topic. What is the new topic? SDLC models. Okay, so SDLC models and methodologies. See this one. So SDLC models can be divided into two types. So first one is what? Sequential model, and second one is incremental model. Okay, so in that sequential model, two types. What are the two types in sequential model? Waterfall model and V model. Okay, these two are the sequential models. So incremented models types are prototype model, spiral model, incremental model, RAD model, okay, and agile scrum model. Okay, these all are these five are called comes under incremental models. Okay, but in recently in a sequential model and incremental model can be converted into two types. So what are the two types? Old SDLC models and advanced SDLC models. Okay, we can convert this is sequential and incremental models into, so recently two types. The two types are old SDLC models and new SDLC models. Okay, so see this one, old SDLC models. First one is what? Waterfall model. Second one is what? Prototype model, spiral model, incremental model, and RAD model. These five are comes under old SDLC models. Okay, see this one in the sequential model, only waterfall model. In that increment model, these first four. Okay, these five are comes under old SDLC models, and V model and Agile Scrum model. These two are comes under what? These two are comes under advanced SDLC models. This is very very important. Okay, so interviewer is asking about the first. Interviewer not asking in it first part of manual testing. Okay, second part of manual testing is very important. That is what? SDLC. So SDLC, definitely interviewer is asking the questions about SDLC in the topic of SDLC. Okay, SDLC, not SDLC. Okay, so see here in that manual testing SDLC first phase, the interview definitely asking V model and Agile Scrum is very, very, very important. Okay, so Agile Scrum model definitely questions are comes under the Agile Scrum model only. Okay, so now old SDLC models are used for just reference purpose. Okay, so what are the types? That's why we can discuss in the old SDLC models. So first one is what? Waterfall model. See that waterfall model. Waterfall model is a sequential model. It is sequential model or not? See this one. Waterfall model is a sequential model. Next, waterfall model is what? Classical model. Okay. Waterfall model is also a classical model also. So next. So in this model, only forward operations can be performed. ఓకే, ఈ ఏదైతే మనకు వాటర్ ఫాల్ మోడల్ ఉంటుందో వాటర్ ఫాల్ మోడల్లో మనకు ఓన్లీ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఆపరేషన్స్ మాత్రమే వర్క్ అవుతాయి, బ్యాక్వర్డ్ ఆపరేషన్స్ అనేవి వర్క్ అవ్వవు. ఓకే, సో ఒక్కసారి మనం ఈ మోడల్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత, సో ప్రీవియస్ స్టేజ్కి మనం వెళ్ళాలంటే, అదే నెక్స్ట్ స్టేజ్కి మనం వెళ్ళాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్రీవియస్ స్టేజ్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ చేసుకునే వెళ్ళాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే దీంట్లో మిడిల్ ఏదైతే మనకి మిడిల్ ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ రన్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు మిడిల్లో ఏదైనా చేంజెస్ చేయాలన్నా కూడా కుదరదు. ఓకే, సో ఇది ఓన్లీ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఆపరేషన్స్ మాత్రమే చేస్తుంది, నో బ్యాక్వర్డ్ ఆపరేషన్స్. అండ్ బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ స్టేజ్, సో ఫస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు కంప్లీట్ ద ప్రీవియస్ స్టేజ్. ఓకే, అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ స్టేజ్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్ మోడల్, okay, in this model, middle of the project requirement changes are not possible here. So in the project is running in that middle, okay, any changes are not possible in the waterfall model. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు చేంజ్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్, మీరు మళ్ళీ దాంట్లో ఏదైనా రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ అనేవి మీరు చేంజ్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ మొత్తం రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ అన్ని చేంజ్ చేసుకుని రావాలి. సో ఎక్కడైతే మీరు చేంజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో అక్కడ చేంజ్ చేయలేరు వాటర్ ఫాల్ మోడల్. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు చేంజ్ ద, okay, if you want to change the requirements in the middle of the project to process start stage from, okay, beginning. So the process starts from what? Beginning here. Okay, if you want to change the requirement in the middle of the project, total process starts from beginning. Okay, when customer, so see this one waterfall model, just you can say only one line. That is what? See this one, this line is very important. When customer requirements are clear, okay, when customer requirements are clear, when customer requirements are fixed, then select to develop the waterfall model for develop a new software project or new software product. Okay, this is suitable for only small projects, small companies, small projects. Okay, so first waterfall model అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇది ఒక సీక్వెన్షియల్ మోడల్, ఇది అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఓల్డ్ SDLC మోడల్. Okay, and it is a classical model also. Only forward operations can be done in the waterfall model. No backward operations are performed here. Okay, in the middle of the project, okay, any changes are not possible. Okay, any changes are not possible. If you want to change the requirements in the middle of the project, you can start from the beginning. Okay, when customer requirements are definitely clear and fixed, then we have to develop a new software project or product in waterfall model. This is used for small projects only. Okay, if you interview asking, okay, ask you definitely tell all these points. Okay, next prototype model. Already prototype is discussed in SDLC. Okay, in SDLC where this is what see this one. Okay, in SDLC we will discuss in SRS documents. Okay, SRS document contains what? Prototypes. Okay, prototypes nothing but project related screenshots. Okay, this is project related screenshots. See this one. Prototype model, mockups and screenshots. Okay, when customer requirements are not clear. ఓకే మనకి ఏదైతే ది ప్రొటోటైప్ మోడల్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే మనకి రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ అసలు ఏంటి అనేది తెలియనప్పుడు ఓకే అండ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ అనేవి మనకు క్లారిటీగా తెలియనప్పుడు క్లారిటీగా లేనప్పుడు ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ దీంట్లో ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే ఏదైనా దీంట్లో చేంజెస్ అనేవి కూడా డిస్కర్డ్ అంటే కస్టమర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని చేంజెస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు డిజైనింగ్ కూడా ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ గా ఉంటుంది ఓకే బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మోర్ టైం పడుతుంది అలాగే మోర్ మనీ కూడా అవుతుంది సో ప్రోటోటైప్ మోడల్ ఈస్ వెరీ కాస్ట్లీ మోడల్ ఓకే ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టూడ్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ మోర్ టైం అండ్ మోర్ మనీ ఓకే ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ క్లియర్ హియర్ ఓకే that then we can correspond organization follow which type of model prototype of model we can follow the project requirements are not clear okay so see here if a customer open the website is Flipkart like that okay so in that online shopping application okay we don't have exact idea about the features okay we don't know how to features okay working so how to select the features you don't know okay so it is not useful to you okay when customer requirements are not clear if you don't you can't understand okay so when customer requirements are clear you can definitely understanding step by step from the online shopping website like that okay when customer requirements see this when customer wants online shopping website but customer don't know the exact features okay don't know the exact features related to online shopping application prototype model is use that area so prototype is not a complete product or it is just functional replica so it is used only for implementation of the software okay it is applied when we don't know the customer requirements then there we don't know the exact project requirements then we can use the prototype model so it is a trial and error method which takes place between okay developer and client okay so next trying different doing something until find the best one okay in this model clients are actively involved in the development okay clients are here clients is what customers are the clients so that clients are actively involved in the development area okay prototypes can be changed even also discarded so flexible in designing it is slow process but it takes more time to for development it is costly with respect to time and money also okay next spiral model see this one spiral is in circle shape like that okay so when customer requirements enhance change okay enhance regularly see this one so corresponding organization can follow what develop a new software project or product okay see these are the what versions so Selenium 1.0 2.0 3.0 4.0 these are the versions see this one when customer requirements are enhancing regularly changes regularly it is corresponding organization can follow which model spiral model okay it is to develop what to develop a software project or product by version here so versions are changed regularly okay are you understood so that is what spiral model so versions what is Selenium 1.0 version 2.0 version 3.0 4.0 those versions are available okay next software says on software this model is also what risk driven software okay so risk is heavy here okay risk is very heavy here and see this software is developed what risk is very heavy here and planning means requirements first requirement gathering and analysis what is risk analysis identify the risk and prepare plan for solving that risks okay engineering and execution see this one and it means what it is developing and testing okay so engineering and execution is developing and testing here okay are you understood See this one. Which model? This is a spiral model. Spiral model is when customer requirements are enhancing regularly or changing regularly, we can develop which model? Spiral model by to develop a software project or product version by version. Okay, and then this model is also called as a risk-driven development process model. Okay, the software is developed in a series of incremental releases as per each spiral. Okay, planning means here what? Gathering and analysis. See this one. And risk is what? Identification risk and prepared for solving the risk. So engineering and execution means actual development and testing. Okay, evaluation is to collect the feedback from customer. Okay, so next we will go for which model? Incremental model. See this one. When customer requirements are huge, very huge here. Okay, customer requirements are huge. The corresponding organization can follow RAD model to develop what? New software project or product. In this model, so see here, main project can be divided into mini projects in incremental model. So main project is very big, very huge. Okay, we can divide that main project into small projects, mini projects. So each mini project can contain what? SDLC model, SDLC process model. After completion of each mini project, then and then mini projects form a major project. See this one. సో ఇది ఏం లేదు, మనకి ఇంక్రిమెంటల్ మోడల్ ఏంటంటే ఇంక్రిమెంటల్ మోడల్ అనేది హ్యూజ్ గా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఇక దాన్ని మనం ఇంక్రిమెంట్ బై ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అని చేస్తాము. ర్యాడ్ మోడల్ ఆల్సో హ్యూజ్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ ర్యాడ్ మోడల్లో మనం ఏం చేస్తాము? ఫస్ట్ మెయిన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ని ఇన్ ర్యాడ్ మోడల్లో స్మాల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేస్తాం, మినీ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. తర్వాత ఆ మినీ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అన్ని ఎస్డిఎల్సి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ లో కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత సో వాటిని అన్నింటిని కలిపి మళ్ళీ మనం ఒక మేజర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లా బిల్డ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, లైక్ హాస్పిటల్. Okay, see this one. These five are very, very important. See this one. So what is waterfall model? When customer requirements are clear, we can go for waterfall model. When customer requirements are not clear, we will go for prototype model. When customer requirements are enhancing regularly, we will go for spiral model. So incremental model means when customer requirements are huge, also go for incremental model. By what? We can develop project in increment by increment. Okay, in RAD model also use, but here in RAD model we can divide the main project into mini projects, and after development of SDLC process we can again combine with major project. Okay, so these are the old SDLC models. Okay, so see this one. These is also questions. What is the difference between old SDLC and advanced SDLC models? Okay, you can explain about this. These are comes under old SDLC models. Okay, in waterfall model, when customer requirements are changing frequently. In prototype model, when customer requirements are not clear. In spiral model, when customer requirements are enhancing regularly. In incremental model, okay, when customer requirements are huge. In RAD model, when customer requirements are also huge here. Okay, same like that you can explain to the interviewer. Okay, so in next topic, advanced SDLC models, we can discuss in next class. Okay, see these are the, so why nowadays companies are following as advanced models, we can discuss in next class. Okay, so thank you all.